Hello there. Today I'm going to walk you through trouble ticket submission under Orders and Tickets menu. If you are experiencing an issue impacting your service or need support for network products, you can open a trouble ticket. You will see this option only if you have permissions to do so. You can ask your master administrator to give you the permissions. Master admin can go to user management under administration menu to assign you the permissions. Under user management, master admin can go to manage permission, click on ordering tile and give the permission to the trouble ticket for that user. Now let me go back to the trouble ticket form. If you are having issue with Fabric and Network Edge, you can open the ticket via the support case. I will be back here later on. So to open a trouble ticket, you can either enter a asset or serial number or select IBX or the cage where you are experiencing issues. You can use install base under operations menu to look up the asset or the serial number. So I can copy the asset number from install base menu, go back to the trouble ticket and paste this here. You will see the details of the asset. Alternatively, you can use IBX and cage and optionally cabinet to submit the ticket. Under the problem details, select the date when you started experiencing the issue. Select your problem category of the issue in the predefined problem description. And please provide the complete details, including any technical attributes like serial number or the cable ID. This will help to resolve your issue more promptly and readily. You can also attach supporting photos and documentation that can help your request. Now select a technical contact. You can assign yourself or select any other user in your organization. Okay, you're ready to submit the ticket. So on the confirmation page, you will receive the order number. You can use this order number to track your ticket via orders and ticket history. Thank you for listening.